Welcome to the second episode of Partner Spotlight series. In this episode, we are going to feature the country's leading data center advisory firm, JLL, to share more insights into the company's areas of operations and talk more about the partnership between JLL and Yotta. Today we have with us Mr. Rachit Mohan, who is heading the India business in terms of data center advisory for JLL. So welcome, Rachit.
Thanks a lot, Nivedan. Thank you so much for this opportunity to come and address this session.
So Rachit, could you begin by giving a brief about JLL's India operations, key services, solutions offering, and how has been the growth of the organization in recent times?
A little bit about JLL. We're listed on New York Stock Exchange, and the company is now over 260 years old. So, and this is a company which comes with a long historic heritage of advising customers on their infrastructure needs globally. The data center advisory part, which I lead, is a business which has taken birth out of the requirement to support our large corporate customers per se. Now, like any other customer, any of the big multinationals, be it banking companies, health tech companies, pharma companies, any kind of financial institutions or tech companies, all of them are and historically we've been helping secure, build, manage, operate physical spaces for them. And one of the big pieces which has changed now is actually replicating a lot of that in the digital space for them, and that's the infrastructure which they require. We started getting approached by a lot of our multinational customers asking us, what is the future? And on one side, they are asking us questions like, what is the future of workplace, and do people go back to office or not? But at the same time, while they're designing infrastructure as a holistic manner, we have been advising the same customers as to how their infrastructure, not just from built environment perspective, but also their digital environment and IT infrastructure, how that needs to be positioned going forward. Which leads to various questions. It leads to our occupiers, and comes down to simple things like if a multinational customer of ours is going in for new office space or new infrastructure, should they really invest in setting up their own server halls? Should they be going into a co-location solution? Should they be and related questions around should they be considering cloud setups, private cloud setup, public cloud setup? Should it be a hybrid environment? What is the kind of deployments that we can do? And that is a conversation which we have very, very smoothly woven ourselves into. We had a very interesting case study where one of our health tech companies, health tech clients from Hyderabad, was looking for a very, very similar solution sometime back, a few months back. And we were advising them on their office solution and their IT infrastructure. And the more engagement we had, the customers started giving us problem statements. And Dipendra from our team went back to them with a very, very interesting Yotta solution where we created a cloud-based virtual desktop solution for a very, very large talent base of this health tech company. And that integrated with their hosting requirements and data requirements, a whole bunch of things. The whole package turned out to be a very, very interesting piece. And this is something where JLL worked extensively with Yotta as a partner. And our customers saw the benefit from that, which turned out to be very, very interesting. Now, using this as a case study, right? What is happening is the conversations that we are having, not just in India, but in places like Indonesia, Japan, North Asia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Europe, US, the engagement is increasing with with a number of these kind of tech companies and health tech companies and all these kind of clients talking about their IT infrastructure. And that is the kind of solutioning that we are providing. Now, the way our data center advisory business has been built, it's built around 3 pillars. The first pillar, which I feel is the most important piece, where we integrate ourselves with operator partners like Yotta very, very extensively, is where we are helping our customers get IT infrastructure solutions from partners like Yotta, which could be co-location requirements or cloud solutions, etc. The second pillar is again something where we interact and we work very, very extensively with the entire Yotta leadership, is on the path as to where the future infrastructure for Yotta is going to be, where we would help them secure land sites, development sites, any of those kind of solutions. And that is where, again, the engagement is of a very, very different nature. One thing is looking at power infrastructure, cooling infrastructure, stability of a land, but not just that, also looking at, can we get a customer over here? How leasable is this area? Is this going to be convenient for the same customers who we are going to be pitching in the future? So that is the second pillar, which is a very, very strong pillar for us. The third pillar is in the investment space, where we are advising on mergers, acquisitions, any kind of fundraisers and stuff like that. Now, while we haven't been doing too many things with Yotta in that space, but that's again something which we are very, very active with. But the first 2 pillars, our engagement with Yotta is second to none.
So, coming to the key initiatives taken over the past, say, 1 year or so, we know that the pandemic has expedited every organization's digital transformation journey. So how are you looking to help those organizations? Obviously, we know that your services, demand for your services rather would have increased manyfold. So how have you addressed that? And how much of your focus is towards skill development to enhance capabilities and take advantage of the emerging opportunities?
Yeah, absolutely. If you look at IT heads of companies, procurement heads of companies, CFOs of companies, these are people who we deal with on day-to-day basis. All of them are struggling with the same challenges of COVID, downtime, planning for future, budgeting, same challenges, right? It's a very natural fit of the kind of services that we offer to these customers. Historically, a lot of the SIs would have gone and offered integrated solutions to some of these customers. But there is a growing appetite to come to advisors like us. We are not system integrators, we're not resellers. We are only advisors. We will come, sit with the customer and give them the right solutioning, which would work for them from the short term, medium term, and the long term, and building that kind of an agility in the plan and solutioning that for the customer, and then helping them facilitate the right transaction with and the beauty of our dealing is that it's a direct relationship end of the day between the customer and very, very strong data center operators like Yotta is working. Now, as part of these facilities management, a key part is the critical environment management. So pretty much every organization who outsources their facilities management to JLL, their critical environment, which is their server halls and their critical equipment areas, are also managed by JLL, which means that JLL is already an operator for them, supporting them through all of this. Now, today, if there is a trend and solutions, high quality solutions like Yotta are available, it is a natural progression for organizations like us to go and upskill our customers and tell them about this and advise them on these kind of solutions, which requires us to constantly be ahead of the curve and reskilling ourselves to make sure we are going and offering those solutions to our customers. Now that could be in terms of co-location, could be in terms of cloud requirements, could be energy solutions, renewable energy, plethora of things.
Okay, all right. So now coming to our partnership of JLL and Yotta, could you tell us about what all services are being offered, what kind of joint go-to-market strategy being followed, and kind of customers being served in the Indian market?
When we look at our portfolio of customers who we are already servicing and we might be running their critical environments, the amount of data that is available within JLL on amortization of this kind of critical environment infrastructure, amortization of the internal servers which may have been invested in, the challenges of be it UPSs or cooling or PUEs being achieved by any of these occupiers at their own on-prem facilities. We have all that information. What we are doing is, we are as advisors, we are using all that data to go back and solution for our customers. And we have a joint go-to-market strategy with Yotta, where we are particularly customers where we think we can immediately get good quality solutions on the table. We are actually going to those clients and actually talking through that. Now the approach in this, of course, is completely data-driven, and the information warehousing of the quality of data in JLL is what gives us that kind of a strength. And that's what we are like.
This takes me to the logical question, which is, how are your offerings strategically aligned to Yotta's whole range of co-location and tech services that are being offered to the customers in India?
You know, end of the day, our teams are fully trained on all the products that Yotta has to offer. We know exactly what is the value that Yotta is bringing on the table, which is why we are able to, using that knowledge and the skill upliftment that JLL has done internally within our data center advisory team, we are able to marry the two together and take that to the market, to our customers, where Yotta doesn't need to keep knocking doors here and there. It is a very, very natural fit. And the great thing in this is our customers are coming back and thanking us, because we are thinking ahead of the curve and bringing these kind of solutions which are helping them upgrade their infrastructure, reduce their cost, bringing more flexibility, agility, and also achieving their carbon neutrality goals and sustainability goals because of the renewable power that Yotta is using in their data centers.
Right. All right. So this brings me to the last question, that how are you looking to take this partnership with Yotta to the next level in terms of building combined capabilities and serving customers end to end?
Sunil and Darshan Hiranandani Sunil Gupta and Darshan Hiranandani have given me a target to lease 100 megawatt of co-location space to end customers for Yotta. We are aligned to that vision. And is how quickly we are able to do it. But we are very, very focused on building onto our existing strengths and really building this from here.
Fantastic. So thank you once again, Rachit, for taking out time today and talking to Yotta team and sharing all those insights. It was great learning experience for me personally as well. I have got to learn so many things about what all goes into a data center services organization and how the two upcoming companies are doing well in the country. Thank you once again for your valuable time. See you sometime soon. Thank you.
Okay, bye.